Hi guys, 7Miners team is here with you. Today, I'll show you how to use our toolkit to flash your ANTMINER directly to the NAND without using USB drives, VPN, and other tools. So first visit our website 7miners.net. The current link will be in description to this video. Download the AntHill Toolkit full zip for Windows. Then unpack it to any directory on your disk or to the desktop. Open it, and you'll find instructions in both English and Russian inside. Next, launch the toolkit shortcut and configure the network settings. Choose your subnet. I have the first and second subnets, so enter them here. If you have a different network, enter your details accordingly. After entering, click the scan button, and it will be added to the list. Then click select IP. After that, your network will be scanned, and all miners will be found. So, I scanned my network using AntHill Toolkit and found the miner. I have S19 Hydro on the stock firmware. Make sure here is a green padlock. If it's gray, you can try unlocking it with the unlock option. Enter the correct password. If the padlock is gray, it means the password is different from the stock password. Sometimes the program may not unlock the miner. In that case, go directly to the miner interface and change the password to the native root password in the system password section. Then the program will unlock the miner immediately. Okay, settings are changed. We selected the miner. Then, choose Configure Miners, select our miner. Choose Install and select the directory where your files are located. Enter 7Miners here, and also here. Then click Install and wait for the process to finish. If you have, for example, 5-10 miners, several installation lines will show the progress. So, the firmware is installed. It says the version 1.25 Alpha 4 is installed. Now the miner is booting up. We enter its interface and see that it looks like the stock firmware here again. Press Ctrl plus F5, and then the page of our firmware will load. The password to enter to the interface is admin. This program can install firmware on any control boards, BeagleBone, Xilinx, Mlogic, Vtek. For CV, after installing the software on the computer, the AntHill Toolkit program must always be running in the same local network as the miner. This is because when the miner is rebooted, it returns to the stock firmware. If it was already flashed with Vnish and the Toolkit program is running in the same local network, the firmware will be automatically restored after the miner's reboot, and the miner will continue its work. This is a feature of the firmware working on these control boards. You can also download a program from our website called Phoenix Agent. It's also a program for the Vtek-based control board. You need to place it in the startup folder. So, when you reboot the miner on the CV control board, it automatically checks the firmware and returns to Vnish. This way, you can flash an unlimited number of miners in any location with the latest firmware. Thank you for watching us and see ya.